In this video, we will briefly show how to use the Discuss tool within your application. The Discuss tool can be used to have a back and forth conversation with the Base44 AI agent. To toggle the Discuss tool on, click on the Discuss button within the AI chat window. You will know it's been toggled on as the button text will change to purple. Once the Discuss mode has been toggled on, you can send the Base44 AI agent a message using the standard chat window. You can now have a back and forth conversation with the Base44 agent without using any of your chat credits. The discussion mode is great for understanding any issues your application may be facing or to help the Base44 AI agent understand and scope out exactly what you're trying to achieve. Once you are finished having a conversation with the Base44 AI agent and are ready to move forward with updating your application again, simply click the Discuss button one more time to toggle the Discuss mode off. You will know the Discuss mode has been toggled off when the Discuss button text has changed from purple to its default color. And that's it. The Discuss tool allows you to freely brainstorm, troubleshoot, and clarify ideas with the Base44 AI agent before making changes to your application. When you're ready to move forward, simply toggle Discuss mode off and continue building.